Before Princeton, we had a lot of different systems that each required their own support, knowledge by the users, and varying capabilities. So there was a lot of individual expertise needed to do the same basic thing of shipping steel. So Princeton coming in, bringing uniform processes and just the benefits of that standardization, it's a game changer. When we were evaluating what was going to take over the full enterprise, the main thing was ease of use for us. We had been with another solution that talked a big game, had a big sales pitch, but ultimately required just a tremendous amount of tribal knowledge, expensive tribal knowledge at that, to get the ideal performance from the solution. The team that came on was great from the design sessions through the build phase, through unit testing, and through go live. There was never any degradation of the support provided. Standardization of processes is definitely the number one. So we had one side of the business that had completely outsourced their transportation to a 3PL. The other side did it all in-house. So again, even though you're doing the same thing of shipping literally the same product in some cases to the same customers, they had different ways of doing things. They talked about it differently. So you could be having a conversation and talking past one another about what sounds simple enough, but just everyone being able to see into each other's backyard, if you will, just fosters a more all-encompassing, we're all pulling in the same direction type of mentality. Outside of that, the reporting, again, all speaking the same language has definitely been very, very beneficial to us for understanding our transportation side of the business. And I have the experience of working with another TMS solution, and it's just the night and day difference between those two. All the benefits of consolidated procedures and practices. There's really no reason in a forward-thinking organization not to implement a TMS. And if you're going to implement a TMS, I highly recommend Princeton.